Today I'm at Stadium MK, the MK Dons Stadium. Considering they're only in the 4th tier of England, it's an absolutely gigantic stadium. The one surprising thing I found about it is it's in the middle of a retail park. Got TGI Fridays and Bella Italia, and Odeon Cinema over there. Milton Keynes, it's just a grid, isn't it? It's a grid of little squares, the businesses in the grid. There's a Papa John's as well built into the stadium. God knows how a 4th tier team could have afforded this. It can only be a rich benefactor. It's got a Doubletree Hilton as well built into the stadium. Absolutely immense when you see it. I think it's like 30,000, which for a 4th tier team, this must be the biggest 4th tier stadium in the world. It can't be far off of it. At 32,000, you can't get that many 4th tier teams that have got bigger than a 32,000 all-seater stadium. It's absolutely gigantic. KFC and Burger King down there as well. I think the story was they got like really cheap land. I think at the time they built the stadium, I don't think this retail park was here. I think it was just wasteland, and I think they got the land quite cheap because it was problematic land for the council. I think there's some chemicals on the land or something that I read, and it was going to cost a lot of money to sort the land out. And I think part of the deal of the consortium getting the land was that they fixed it all up. So they got the land quite cheap and then built the stadium. MK Dons started life off as the Crazy Gang. They started life off as Wimbledon FC, who Vinnie Jones played for when they won the FA Cup in the 80s. But then they were sharing Selhurst Park with Crystal Palace, weren't they? And then they revamped, got the chance to get their own stadium and move out to Milton Keynes. And I think when they first moved to Milton Keynes, they played it in a hockey stadium, and then they got the chance of this cheap land and built their own stadium, but they went a bit overboard. I think their average crowd's only about 4,000 or 5,000, so you've got 4,000 or 5,000 people inside a 4,000 or 5,000 people inside a 32,000 seater stadium. It's a mind-boggling stadium. It's like a fortress. Outside, regardless of where you walk around the ball, it's pretty much looks the same. Got these very opaque, shiny tiles. I think to get round part of it, you've got to walk past the road, so I think that's why it's not pretty good. It looks the same the whole way around. You can almost see it from the stadium here. Don't know, well, that doesn't show it very